You can use a technique that replaces values based on the sound of the word or by replacing letters for numbers. A good password might be skate freak, but spelled as SK8 $PHR3K. As you can see, this password is not difficult to remember, yet it cannot be easily guessed. A password of more than 8 characters provides strength without so much complexity. For example, use a number and an uppercase letter as part of a longer phrase such as trainee skate freak, spelt SK8 freak, as it is easier to remember, simpler to type accurately on non-traditional keyboards, and just as hard to guess. Passwords of this type must be at least 15 characters in length, made up of at least 3 words, preferably unrelated. Create a new password so that you can test the password's strength.